Today we're going to review the Celsys website. So this is a company that a student selected and I approved. So this is the home page. We're going to scroll down. Clip Studio Solutions connect artists with business. So we can click on details. Here's a tab for partnerships. I don't see anything else, so let's go back. Business field. I don't know if it's my internet. Let's go to company. All right, so we have founded in 1991. So we can read through here. Here's their history. We have a company interview. Looks like a few videos. Take a look at some of the software. The headquarters are right here in Japan. So here's the map. Company profile. Then you have the president, director, so it gives you the name. 279 employees. There's a tab for sustainability. And it might just be my slow Wi-Fi that, well, I'm at the school, so I don't know. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's a stock summary, stock quote. Let me share those tabs right here. Not bad. Okay, let's go back. Our people. They do offer internships, part-time position, and full-time jobs. Let's take a sneak peek at the interns. All right, so Google Translate, new graduate recruitment, internship, web engineer, web tech lead, sales, web director, marketing. So there's a ton of jobs and internships. All right, a little slow. It's loading. That's okay. So if you are interested, you can click here to apply. Here are more details. All right, so I'm going to have our student present this project. We'll learn more about this company, but this is just a brief overview of their website. Thanks for watching. Bye.